Hi, K1s. Welcome back to the virtual library. Let's see what book you clicked on this time. Perfect Square by Michael Hall. Let's see if you can recognize this shape here. It was a perfect square. It had four matching corners. One, two, three, four. It had four equal sides. One, two, three, four. And it was perfectly happy. Can you see? With your finger. There's a happy smile. But on Monday, the square was cut into pieces and poked full of holes. Some of you have been doing lots of cutting and poking holes in paper in shared area. It wasn't perfectly square anymore. So it made itself into a fountain that babbled and giggled and clapped. Can you see? It's a big fountain that comes pouring out and goes back in again and pours back out again. Maybe you've seen a water fountain that's quite similar. On Tuesday, the square was torn into scraps. So it made itself into a garden with flowers. Can you see? The stem and the flowers, the petals. On Wednesday, the square was shredded into strips. So it made itself into a park. Can you see all the different greens? Somebody's flying a kite in the green park. On Thursday, the square was shattered. It looks like it's been broken like some glass. So it made itself into a bridge, maybe for us to walk over, or for the boats to go under, or the cars and the train to travel on. On Friday, the square was ripped into ribbons. Can you see here? Lots of ribbon shapes. Let's see if we can find. There we go. So it made itself into a river. What can you see on the river? Fish. On Saturday, the square was crumbled and ripped and wrinkled. So it made itself into a big, tall mountain. What can you see above the mountain? You can see the clouds. On Sunday, the square waited to see what was next. It waited and waited, but nothing happened. Its four equal sides were confining. Its four matching corners were rigid and cramped. Does it look happy? It doesn't look very happy. So it made itself into a window. What a colourful window. It's like a rainbow window with all those beautiful colours. That looked out on a mountain, that gave birth to a river, that was crossed by a bridge, that led to a park, that was home to a garden, that had at its centre a fountain, that babbled and giggled and clapped. I can see children. What a fantastic story. The end. The perfect square. That square went on quite a journey, didn't it? Lots of funny things. I think my favorite thing that the square turned into was, let's go back to this page here so we can see them. I think my favorite thing that the square turned into, I think, was the bridge. I really liked the bridge. What did you like? What did you like best that the square turned into? I wonder what it was. You can come and tell me when you see me in K1. Okay, bye-bye, K1s. See you again soon in the virtual library.